Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my, yes, Joseph's excited to be back. She's so excited she had to leave. Today we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for January 2020. This box is $15 a month. You get between like 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup sort of items. Let me go ahead and apologize. I am a little bit sick, so you know, I kind of sound a little ill, kind of probably look a little ill, but we're going to go ahead and just open this up anyway. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of the box. So I will do the math, research the sample size, find us an actual value of everything in this box if you care about that as well. That's always in the description box too. Okay, let's just go ahead and open it up. If you're new to my channel, those are my dogs back there. Josie is chewing on a bone. It's what she likes to do. That's actually why she left the room. She went to go get a bone. I don't know why she feels the need to do that when I'm doing this, but it seems to be her thing, and I'm not going to stop her. She lives here. So, okay, let's just see. Okay. So inside the box, we have this little box. I kind of like these new like slide-out boxes they're doing, as opposed to like just a box with a lid, so that's nice. It's really pretty. I really like the box. So, as always, the box is probably my favorite part. Okay, so then we're going to have this little card right here that's going to have everything we're getting as well as their full-size values. And then on the front here it says, it's easier to prevent dry skin than fix it, so change your nighttime skincare routine if you wake up with dry skin. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, so just looking at this, I'm not really impressed right away. Go ahead and pull out the first thing I'm seeing. This is from Pie? Not sure. It does say it's vegan, but it doesn't say anything about being cruelty-free, so I will look into that. This is a Chamomile and Rosehip Calming Day Cream, and it's just the tiniest little thing here. Okay, so it's just a face cream is all I can gather. The full size is $60, which seems a little bit expensive in my opinion. But I might be able to get like 2 uses out of this, so I definitely will try it, but that's not enough for me to like actually know if I like it to purchase it, if that makes sense. Okay, the next thing I have is from Oribe, which is cruelty-free. This is the Signature Shampoo and Signature Conditioner. They're just little foil packets. Not really a huge fan of these. And these are actually really small, like they're very thin foil packets. There might be enough shampoo in here, but the conditioner does not feel like it's going to be enough for my hair. But the full size is $44, so I assume that means like 22 bucks a piece. So a little bit expensive. Not the highest end price I've seen, but a little bit more expensive than what I would normally pay for shampoo and conditioner. Okay, the next thing I have is from Malin+Goetz, or Malin+Goetz, I'm not sure. There it is right there. I have gotten this brand before, I believe also in a Birchbox, I can't quite recall. But this is the Revitalizing Eye Gel. It is cruelty-free. Let's go ahead and see how big it is in here. Okay, so there it is. Just a little tiny thing. I can't tell how full it is. I mean, it is tiny, but eye gel, you use so little of it. So I'm not totally surprised that it's so tiny. The full size is $42. So again, I don't know if I would pay that. I will give this a try to see how I like it though. Okay, the next thing is from Arrow, which is a brand I've only ever seen in Birchbox. This is like the 3rd or 4th time I've gotten something from this brand in here. This is the Arrow Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. And I don't know if there's a shade. Oh, Blush Hour is the shade. I have a lip balm from them. And I wonder if this is the same thing where it's color changing. So it looks white there. The one I have is purple that changes to pink. Let's just go ahead and swatch it on my hand and see if it changes color. So we'll give that time on my hand and see if anything happens. The full size of this is $15, and I believe this may be full size. I mean, that looks pretty full size to me. So we will see. So far, nothing's happening, though. It just looks clear. Has no scent. Oh, wait. It's a little bit pepperminty. I think it's pepperminty. My nose is not top level right now, so I can't tell, but it seems a little bit pepperminty. Okay, so the next thing I have is from Marcelle, which is not a brand I've tried. This, I think, is a mascara. Xtension Plus Curl. There's the packaging right there. I'm trying to get the glare off of that. I don't know if it's cruelty free. It does not say on here. Let's go ahead and see though. Oh, it's definitely curled. Okay, so it's like that. The wand is like a silicone type of wand, which I actually like. I like using wands like this for my under eyelashes. I think they tend to work pretty well down there for some reason. But I definitely will give this a try. I mean, it seems okay just by first glance. So I definitely will give this a go. The formula does seem like a more wet formula, so give that a try. Okay, and the full size of this is 15 bucks, so not too bad. That's not too bad, I don't think. Okay, one last thing. This is from Touch in Sol, which I really like that brand. Their primer is my favorite. This is a Glassy Skin Balm. It says, this smooth, moisturizing primer melts into skin, leaving behind a brighter complexion and a glow that lasts all day. Apply as the last step of your skincare routine. Okay. So it seems like it's just a moisturizing primer, I guess. Oh God, every time. No. Alright, well, this is why I hate these things with the safety seal, because like I got all this out. That's probably like enough for half my face maybe, and now it's just on my finger, but I'll go ahead and let me use it on my arm. It smells really good, like just clean sorta, and it feels like a moisturizer. A little bit grippy for like priming things, but definitely has moisturizing aspects to it so too as well. I don't mind that. So I definitely will give that a go on my face and see if I like it compared to their other primer that is my favorite primer. So okay, and the full size value of this is 32 bucks. So a little bit expensive. I think it's a lot more expensive than the other primer because I have repurchased it and I don't recall it being $32, but I could be wrong. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that thing on my hand. So it's like right there. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. It is the slightest bit pink on my hand in real life, like barely pink, so it is like blushing. So I would just use it as like a normal lip balm, so I definitely will use it. I always have lip balm on my purse, in my pocket, somewhere around me at all times, so I definitely will use that. Okay, so overall, this wasn't my favorite box. It wasn't my least favorite, but anytime this is included as like one of the items, and it's not like a bonus item, and we only have 6 things in here, I don't know, it's kind of just leaves a sour taste in my mouth. Like, this is free. Like, and I know samples are usually free, but like this is like really actually free. Like, I don't know. What do you think? So it wasn't like the worst Birchbox. It wasn't the best. I definitely will use the lip balm. I'm excited to try the primer, and the mascara seems like it'll be good, but like shampoo, not my favorite thing. The eye gel, maybe. I don't know. I'll give it a go. I would love to know what you guys thought of this box, so make sure you leave that in the comments down below, what you thought. Again, apologize for being sick, sounding a little bit nasally, just not feeling the best. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.